In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a TikTok shop account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to enter, and how to get through verification smoothly so you can start selling with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to the official TikTok shop website. You don't need to open the TikTok app for this part. The setup is done on the web. On the homepage, look for the Start Selling button and click it. This takes you straight into the seller registration flow. You'll be prompted to enter your store information. Type in your store name clearly and make sure it represents the products you plan to sell, since this is what customers will see. Next, you'll be asked to select a product category. Choose the category that best matches your main products. Picking an accurate category helps with visibility and keeps your account compliant with marketplace rules. When you're ready, click Continue. Now select your business type. Depending on your situation, you can register as an individual seller or as a business entity. Choose the option that matches your legal setup because this determines the kind of documents TikTok will ask for. You'll then select the type of identification you'll use. Options vary by region, but commonly include a national ID, a driver's license, or a passport for individuals, and company documents for businesses. After selecting the ID type, you'll need to add an image. Upload a clear, well-lit photo or scan of your identification. Make sure all four corners are visible, the text is readable, and the name matches exactly with the name you entered earlier. If there's a place to add additional supporting images, use it to avoid delays. Click. Continue to move forward. You'll now enter additional information, including your phone number and your email address. Use contact details you actively monitor, since TikTok will send verification codes and important updates there. Double-check for typos before submitting. Finally, click Continue or Register, depending on the button shown, and follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to verify your phone and email with codes, and in some cases, verification can take a little time while your documents are reviewed. Keep an eye on your inbox and your dashboard for any requests from TikTok. Once everything is confirmed, your TikTok shop account will be active. From there, you can set up shipping, add products, and begin selling. If something doesn't look right, revisit your details to ensure they match your documents exactly. That's it. You're all set to start your TikTok shop journey.